Hey guys, so we just read about earthquakes and how they cause hazards, and how they cause a tsunami. We're going to learn a little bit more about the tsunamis and how does that happen? Why does that happen? So let's take a look. Let's take a look at it at our science book. So we're going to be going to page 212. So, what happens during a tsunami? A tsunami just describes a series of huge ocean waves that are caused by the shifting of lands underwater. So, here's the fault. Here's the earthquake's focus. And then as they rub against each other, they're causing the waves to go in different directions. So they go up and they go out. And the regular sea level is right here, this dotted line. If every other day, this is how it would be. But because they're shifting up and down, going like this, it's causing that water. It's kind of like the same thing as kind of like kicking your legs underwater. And it's making these waves. So looking at this square right here, it says when two tectonic plates slide past each other underwater, a large amount of movement of water takes place. Then we have here, the movement of the sea floor causes the movement of the ocean to form large waves. The large waves of the tsunami move in all directions away from the source of the plate shifting underwater. When the waves reach the coast, they move slower and increase in height. Some facts about tsunamis. Tsunamis can move at speeds up to 1,000 kilometers per hour, which is about 600 miles per hour. In deep ocean, tsunamis may only be 30 centimeters or about 12 inches high. In Tohoku, Japan, a tsunami wave traveled inland and flooded areas up to 39 miles above sea level. That's pretty interesting. You can always research a little bit more about some facts about tsunamis. And the last thing over here is flooding can continue inland and covering areas with the water and debris. So you see this big wave, it'll go way inland and it will have some really bad effects. A lot of just devastation that happens. It takes out trees and plants and buildings, and bad things do definitely happen with tsunamis, okay? So we're going to take a look at the next page right here. Volcanoes. A volcano is an opening in the Earth's crust that allows superheated material from beneath the crust to reach the surface. Volcanoes erupt in different ways. One volcano exploded with such power that it caused 8-ton rocks to fall as far as 1 kilometer, which is about almost a mile away. Others, like Hawaii's Mauna Loa, oozes burning lava. An eruption or release of volcanic material can take minutes, hours, or even longer. Hawaii's Kilauea has been erupting continuously since 1983. That's a long time ago. The hazards from volcanic eruptions are sometimes obvious. Lava pours over an area. Buildings, plants, and trees get caught in the lava and that will burn. When the lava cools, it forms rocks. Removing lava rock from roads and other facilities is difficult. A cloud like the one shown as is a different hazard. While lava moves slowly, the ash cloud moves quickly. So this ash cloud right here moves really, really fast. Sometimes the ash cloud flows down the side of a volcano, destroying everything in its path. Ash and hot gas may move at speeds up to 700 kilometers per hour or 450 miles per hour. That's super fast. Buildings or trees may be destroyed. People and animals get burned from the hot ash or gas. Melting ice on the volcano can mix with cloud materials. The result is a river of mud that erodes soil, pollutes rivers, and can destroy towns and villages. So do yourself a favor and go ahead and do the cause and effect of how might volcanoes affect people who live near it, and explain how can an earthquake impact humans. Then you want to go onto your notes page and complete the notes pages for page 214. Sorry, you want to complete the notes pages for 212, 213, and 214.